The first step is to set up the recipe database by clicking the Insert function on the Quick Access toolbar and click the recipe icon. Next, click the Add button on Tag Configuration worksheet to create the name and tag of the required recipe. Proceed to click the Add button on Runtime Data worksheet to create the runtime recipe title and the condition of the required recipe. Follow by adding the bottom object into the screen editor from the HMI objects. Click the Actions function on the Quick Access toolbar and select the Load Recipe in Recipe section from the ribbon menu of Click Event. The recipe list window will pop up when the operator clicks this recipe button during the runtime period. You can also assign the button to load a specified recipe by selecting the required recipe from the next layer of this ribbon menu of Click Event.